Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a universal fit leather car steering wheel cover on your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback, for example. Here it comes. The EcoGehen D-Type Universal Fit Leather Car Steering Wheel Cover. It comes from 37 until 39 centimeters. It's a 15 inches anti-slip breathable protector car accessory, year-round use for trucks, SUVs, and of course Audi A1 or S1 in black and red line. It is available in a different colors. It has an universal high-grade leather care steering wheel cover, suitable for steering wheels diameter 37 until 39 centimeters. That is 15 inches. It is an universal fit, high quality and non-slip material, anti-fade coloring, and easy to install. And I will show you how to install it. It brings you a great touch and a comfortable feeling. Massage your palm and relieve drive fatigue. Enrich your driving experience. It will gain your driving experience, of course. It fits to Ford, Audi, BMW, Buick, Fiat, Hyundai, Chevrolet, Citroen, Honda, Jeep, Kia, Land Rover, Lexus, Mercedes-Benz, Mazda, Nissan, Peugeot, Renault, Skoda, Sonata, Subaru, Chevy, Toyota, Volkswagen, Volvo, etc. And as you can see, it is easy to get it over your steering wheel. The only thing is push it on one side and then wrap it around your steering wheel. The features is the better comfort, breathable, soft padding, contour shape and massaging design. It has durability, heat resistant, cold resistant, and wear resistant. Increased safety, a better grip on the wheel gives you more control on the road. It has a green material inside. The products are totally eco-friendly and healthy. And it is 100% designed and manufactured by EcoGehen, 100% lifetime guarantee, 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, 100 exchange or refund for uncertified order. This is nice. I like it. So I bought it. And as you can see, we are going to install it. It is able to install it at two sizes, not sizes, sides. Two sides are able. You can push it upside down, of course, but I think it's better to get the bottom line. That means it is a small part of it on the bottom side and the loop areas on the right, left, and upper side. This I like more, but it is possible to rotate it 180 degrees. Of course, you cannot fit the inside out. This is not possible. Inside there is so a little bit of rubber material, and this rubber material will get nice into shape of your steering wheel. And you have to bend it a little bit until it fits. But it's easy. It is really nice to install, and it will stay in place if you install it once a time. And a little tip maybe, clean your steering wheel before you install this cover, because if there are under the cover, if there are some dirt or dust, etc., this is not good for the universal fit leather car steering wheel cover, of course. So first step is cover it. The first step is clean it, then dry it, and after this you can assemble this leather care wheel cover, of course. And here you can see the option number 1. But I dislike this one. I like it not so much It is like a race car. The race cars has on the upper side of your steering wheel so a line up, and this I am copy by using the leather key steering wheel cover upside down a little bit, and this makes a little bit feeling of race car, of course. But we are not in a race car. We are in Audi A1. This is not a race car, and so let's go to the disassembling option. The disassembling, you can see the grip is nice on this. The leather is really nice. I like it to grab on it. It has a nice material and it smells good. It has a nice shape and it fits all around my steering wheel. It's no problem for it. Really nice. And it does not cover an airbag, etc. Here you can see it. It is a nice quality product. I like it. And I am driven it, I think, 2 months ago. And it is still working well. Really working well. And it looks like the first day. Nice and easy to install, nice and easy to remove, and nice and easy to use. And this is what I like. The airbag is free, the steering wheel has more grip for your hands, and this will get you a little bit gain in the traffic on the road, of course. And it looks really nice with this red lines on it. I like it with red lines. At the first step, I'm going to look because of a deep black thing, but I changed my mind and I go to a red and black design. This is better. This is a better choice. This thing is available in brown too, if you like brown. Black and blue lines, for example, with this black and red lines, and all of black, of course, is available too. No? But the product is the same. It's only a different of colors. And you can see how to remove it. Only grab it and pull it easily. Then rotate it 180 degrees because we are going to show you now the second option to install. And this I like. This is good for your palm on the right and the left hand, and it makes a better line of your steering wheel. I like this design. I think this is the design the manufacturer guy showed you in the pictures before. So we will use that, push it into the center, then push it back in position. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.